Oh no, you come home from school and discover there's no electricity. It's a winter's day and the days are getting short. We'll need to rig up some lighting so we can find out what's gone wrong. Luckily, we found these items around the house to help you. Our task is to make a fruity battery that will provide as much electrical energy as possible and allow us to light one of these LEDs. So what we've collected is we've collected a range of fruit and veg, 3 different LEDs, red, blue and green one, different metals starting with magnesium, aluminium, carbon, zinc, nickel, tin, lead and copper. And I've put those in order of the reactivity series because I found one of these. What we're going to use is 2 different metals and we call those electrodes. We're going to put them into the fruit and veg and we're going to see which will give us the highest voltage. Remember, if we go back to our model, voltage is Mars bars per lorry. So we want to see which of these is like the factory that's going to give, and these electrodes are going to provide most Mars bars to each lorry, to each electron that's going to go through the fruit and veg. We're going to do a couple to record in video and then the rest we'll take by pictures. And if you can fill in a table like this one, you can make up your conclusions as we go along. So let's get started. One of the things I'm interested in is which of these metals are going to provide the best cell. Is it 2 from the top of the reactivity series, 2 from the bottom of the reactivity series, 2 close together anywhere, or 2 far apart? So we need somehow to put that into our choices. And I also want to know which of these fruit and veg is going to be the best one. So some of this information will be in class notebook. So I'm going to start with my apple. Notice my knife is covered for safety. So I'm going to make 2 little scores in my apple. I'm going to start with 2 highest metals, magnesium, and put that in to the little hole I've made. I'm going to use aluminium. These mustn't touch either inside or outside, so there's my little fruity battery. I'm going to clip on my voltmeter and I'm going to see what voltage I can get. So there's my crocodile clips. Obviously they mustn't be touching. That's pretty good actually. I'm getting a voltage of 1.348 volts. It's actually negative. So I've got the electrodes around the wrong way, but it doesn't matter. I'll just show you those around the other way. That actually might light our LED. Let me just try that. Don't think this is what I was expecting actually. I think it's the rotten fruit. Let's see if that's enough to light my LED. We'll do that later. I'll edit that out for now. Okay, so that's something that we can put in there. So that was pretty good. I'm going to leave the magnesium in. I'm going to try the carbon, same distance apart, same apple. Oh, now that's given me 1.8 volts. So that's interesting. Let's leave the magnesium in. Take the carbon out. Let's put the zinc in. Cutting fruit is obviously the thing to do. You could try this at home. If you've got some fruit and veg, just use tin foil and other metals. That's giving me not very much. This isn't working at all. Now this piece of zinc hasn't been cleaned, so that might make a difference. I'm not getting anything on that one. Might need to make more holes in my fruit. So do you see what we're going to do? So what I'm going to do is then take all the different fruit and veg. We'll take some random pictures of the mix.